Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Expedia not giving refund. Expedia typically processes refunds instantly for eligible cases. However, if you're experiencing issues with obtaining a refund from Expedia, most probably it could be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, you need to contact customer support officials. Simply open up Expedia's official website, and then from the home screen, you need to tap on the support option right here at the top. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on this chat icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, a chat screen will come up. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and they'll connect you with Expedia's customer support officials. Once you're connected, briefly explain your issue to the Expedia's customer care representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hi, I am currently facing an issue with the refund process. Following the cancellation of my booking, I expected to receive a refund in accordance with your refund policy. Unfortunately, despite meeting all the necessary criteria for a refund, I have not yet received the refund amount. I understand that processing refunds may sometimes take time, but it has been longer than expected, and the lack of communication regarding the status of my refund is causing some concern. Could you please investigate this matter and provide clarification on the status of my refund?" Hopefully, Expedia's customer support official will help you fix the Expedia not giving refund issue. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.